Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You have admin access. Now act. Open settings and go straight to update and security or system, depending on your OS. Once there, locate the auto update or automatic download section. This is where the system decides to download and install updates. Make sure to save any open files before you change settings, because some systems apply changes immediately. You'll see a simple toggle or an advanced options link. Start with the toggle. Then move to advanced options if more control is needed. Now disable the main auto update toggle and confirm any prompts. This stops automatic downloads. Once done, click advanced options to pause updates for a set time, choose notify to schedule restart, or set active hours so installs occur when you want. If you need stronger control, open services. MSC, Windows, or the equivalent background service manager, find the update service, set startup type to manual or disabled, and stop the service. Make sure to document your changes so you can reverse them later. Finish by rebooting to ensure changes stick. Then check the update page to verify that auto updates are off. If the system still updates, investigate scheduled tasks, group policy settings, or any mobile device management profiles that enforce updates. These override local settings. As a fallback, set your network as metered to block large downloads or install a third-party update manager that gives manual control. If things go wrong, re-enable the service and restore defaults, then apply changes step by step to isolate the culprit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.